What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Guys, Etoro finally did it. They listed Shiba Inu as an asset that is tradable on their platform. You have been patient. For those of you who didn't paper hand out of your position, patience always prevails. Remember, guys, my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And one of these is, of course, and have been, Shiba Inu. So with an Etoro listing, what are the expectations? What are we thinking? So you see that they listed SHIB times M and hit to see what they're talking about. If you go ahead and click this link, you can probably follow through and see what's going on. But regardless, it's SHIB times M, meaning that they listed SHIB as per 1 million tokens. Just that way, it's maybe a little bit less zeros for people to be able to kind of buy in and, you know, see kind of a little bit more of a cleaner price action, if you will. But they did officially list SHIB about 1 hour ago. Now, before I continue on to the video, I do want to mention the link in the description below for Webull. If you deposit $5 SHIB Army into your Webull brokerage account, I know a lot of you already have, but there's still probably hundreds, if not thousands, of individuals who still haven't taken the opportunity to get their 2 free stocks. When you deposit $5, $2,300 is yours. Potentially up to $2,300. At the very minimum, you'll get $11. At the very maximum, $2,300. 1 in 50 get Google stock. So if there's one thing that I would like anybody to do outside of liking and subscribing, is just clicking the link for Webull and getting your 2 free stocks. Now, so what does this mean? Everyone excited, and you know, again, when SHIB, now SHIB. It's finally here, listed on Etoro and represented as SHIB in millions, which is essentially traded as a group of 1 million units. So at the very least, you need to buy at least 1 million tokens, which we know is really not that much, probably a few dollars. Now, what happened in terms of price action? So far, after the release and the listing has been announced, trading sideways, actually going down a little bit. And people are like, why? I'm guessing, you know, why are things still not, why is it not bouncing off of support? And that is because the global cryptocurrency market, guys, is under a little bit of a correction today. We've seen it go on its bull run the last few days. And unfortunately, when good news occurs on days that are red, typically we don't see as much of a rebound as we would in terms of if the market was looking bullish and everything was green. Now, what am I expecting when the market decides to pick back up? Now that we have 17 million additional users, potentially additional. Some probably already purchased SHIB from the 600,000 holders. Some of us probably already bought that utilize the Etoro platform. But in terms of what I'm going to assume is going to happen is as soon as the market picks back up, a lot more people are going to start getting into SHIB. We're going to go from around 600,000 users, which is congratulations, by the way, for everybody that diamond handed. And now we are actually at 600,000 holders. We're going to see a lot more individuals come in after they realize what the swap has to offer, the different tokens within the ecosystem, the passive income potential with the bury and dig features into the liquidity pool, right? You guys know I'm very transparent. So for anybody watching for the first time, check it out. I've made a total of $912 in 100% passive income utilizing the dig feature in SHIBASWAP. In the last few weeks, it hasn't been that long even. With a $1,000 initial investment, $1,100, I made almost a 100% return on my investment in about 2 weeks. That's big. There's also a bury feature, of course, which if you click bury SHIB, you could see I have a total of 112 million tokens buried, and I've made about, what is that, 6.23 bone, which again, bone is worth about $2.79 per, of just doing absolutely nothing but burying my SHIB and letting it grow, which is basically verifying the blockchain. So you guys know I'm extremely bullish on Shiba Inu and this entire ecosystem, and I love every single thing about it. So the fact that Etoro finally decided to list, which we were expecting, be prepared, not surprised, right? And of course, the price action hasn't really been affected yet, which I think throughout the day, as long as we see the market pick back up, we're going to see some pretty significant price action for Shiba Inu. So when the bulls come out, more access means more people potentially buying this crypto. And remember, Etoro has 17 million verified users, folks, which is going to be huge, in my opinion, as more people join the SHIB army. Now, what else am I expecting in terms of exchange listings? Coinbase has been lagging. You know that they listed SHIB, which caused a 30% increase in price almost immediately after the listing. And they say here, we're experiencing technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of SHIB on Coinbase Pro. So for all those of you who maybe not got into this one yet, just know that there's another listing that is potential maybe in the next few days, the next weeks. We're not exactly sure when, but we can expect and anticipate that Shiba Inu will be listed on Coinbase, which is again another short-term catalyst that will get this thing going. On June 16th, 2021, they were 15th, they were listed, 16th, they were delisted. So we're anticipating the relisting sometime soon. Based off of previous tokens that had technical difficulties, it's about a 1 month turnaround. So right now we're 13 days beyond that 1 month mark. It's been about 40, what is that, 30 plus 13? So about 43 days out. So we're anticipating and expecting Coinbase to come out and relist SHIB at any given moment. So again, be prepared, not surprised. And also, the Robinhood petition, 173,000 users and SHIB Army members signed this petition to get Shiba Inu listed on Robinhood. Robinhood is currently undergoing an IPO, meaning probably every single person that's part of the Robinhood team is 110% focused on the IPO, getting everything prepared so they can go public. Now, just like Coinbase, during that time period where they were getting ready to IPO or becoming a publicly traded company, they had to utilize all their resources, and that was their focus for the time being. So Robinhood, in my opinion, as soon as the IPO is complete, I'm hoping that they're going to start acknowledging and realizing that there is a lot of pressure from the SHIB Army because they are looking to get this thing listed on their exchange. And remember what I said and what Rigor Mortis actually said during the live stream: Robinhood needs us more than we need them. They put out their Q1 financial reports, and they talked about how cryptocurrency was one of the biggest drivers, 15 to 17%. Dogecoin single-handedly being a pretty significant percentage from that 17% of their total revenue coming in, 15 to 17%. We can't overlook that. So for SHIB token and the Shiba Inu community, we're going to hopefully create that same kind of success for Robinhood, as long as they pay attention and acknowledge the fact that 173,000 individuals signed a petition. It's not 100 people. It's not 1,000. It's not 173,000 individuals. Because I know accessibility is huge, and a lot of people are uncomfortable using DEXs, decentralized exchanges, and a lot of people don't want to utilize even some of these centralized exchanges. They'd prefer using a trading app that most retail investors understand and know, that being Robinhood, which has, if you think Coinbase with 56 million or Etoro with 17 million users has a lot of verified users, look at Robinhood. They have, I think, in the hundreds of millions at this point of verified users, which is just mind-blowing. So really, guys, that's what I had for you today. Thank you so much for everybody that tuned into the video. SHIB Army, diamond hands, I'm hoping, will always prevail over paper hands. I am super duper excited for what the future has to hold. And thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link below before you leave the channel for Webull. Get your 2 free stocks if you want to support me. Get your 2 free stocks if you want to support yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.